So new crate engine came in. Looks pretty good, brand new heads, pretty clean. We're gonna start putting the rear turbo on because you can't really put it on when it's in the engine. Here's all the old stuff for it, the old block that we're gonna have to start taking parts off of. Reuse all these bolts, find out like what goes where. Yeah, last night we had to do some more tear down stuff on the block, so gotta figure out where that stuff goes, clean it all up so you get new gaskets on it. Thankfully this thing came with a brand new gasket kit over here, so didn't have to order that. Got oil pan, exhaust, intake, valve covers, all the other stuff that you need for it. So yeah, right now we're gonna go ahead and get cracking on rear turbo and exhaust manifold and all that stuff. And then before I can put the oil pan on, yeah, these are all brand new. Everything's perfect under here. But before we can get the oil pan on, we got to take it to a parts washer. As you guys can tell of how terrible that is. All the metal chunks in it, and it's not good in the pickup too. That was a very bad engine. So yeah, let's get to that time lapse. The engine's fully assembled, transmission is bolted on, ready to drop it in the car.
Let's see if it goes up without causing too much lean.
Yeah, it's leaning quite a bit.